Success Day is not about grades. It's about the students' accomplishments outside of the classroom. What's so great about this is that every element, from the t-shirts to everything, was planned by the students and supported by staff.
I had the opportunity to talk to the students about personal branding and to tell them how to leverage their reputation to increase their chances of being successful leaders in their industries, and it was a wonderful opportunity for all students at AIU.
Today's presentation is about SMART goals, how everyone can achieve anything they want faster than they thought possible by planning their goals in the SMART way.
We got the opportunity to teach the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic goals and how to develop and change your view to intrinsic goals, which relates to your core values and yourself.